how to change Facebook page name. So it's real easy to go in and change your name. You have to be the admin on that page to do so. So go ahead and open your Facebook app. Go to the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner, and you'll see a drop down on the far right side here. I'm just going to drop down, and you'll find some of the pages that I have. I want to go ahead and change the name. So I'm just going to choose the second one here, and that will load. And now, because I'm the admin on that page, I'm able to change the name. So what we can do is go back to the menu at the bottom right-hand corner, and you want to scroll down until you find your settings and privacy, and just go to your settings. So from here, you want to scroll down until you see where it says under audience and visibility, it'll say page setup. So go ahead and hit page setup, and you'll go to name at the very top. So it's important to know that you can only change it once every 60 days. So it's important to pick your name, make sure you like it, because you will not be able to change it for 60 days. So I can just go ahead and hit an S here, I guess. It's fine. And go ahead and hit done. It will review the change and submit it for approval. It won't take that long, maybe 30 minutes to an hour for it to come back. And we will go ahead and submit that. And that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you would go about changing your Facebook page name. But remember, it's only once every 60 days.